Andiroba oil is derived from the carapa tree, a flowering tree that's a member of the mahogany family. They can grow up to 30 meters tall and are native to South America, Central America, and Africa. They are commonly known as Andiroba or crabwood. The oil is derived from the seeds and is one of the most commonly sold oils from the Amazon, as it is used extensively as an insect repellent. It is also rich in fatty acids and vitamins A, C, and E, which act as antioxidants that helps protect the skin from free radicals. This oil is the key ingredient in Andiroba insect repellent, the 3-in-1 insect repellent that's also a moisturizer and skin conditioner. It's natural, safe, and effective. Only available at organics.com. Send a message now at am.me/organics.